All right, so I got some special boxes here for you guys today. I opened a couple of these actually on my channel already, but these ones were actually gifted over to me from a dude named Sneaker Twitter. If you guys haven't followed him on Twitter, I'm sure most of you guys already follow him. Really crazy, like that he hooked me up with these. But he gifted me these because I made him some custom hoodies, and he wanted to send me a thank you because he saw that I was into ripping cards. So man, big thank you to you for sending these over. This is nuts, but I had to open them for you guys on video, and hopefully we'll get some nice pulls. But really just a super crazy generous gift to be able to send these. I'm not usually somebody that likes to accept gifts, but I was like, this is crazy. And he came through, he gave me these. He actually gave me some Mosaic fat packs and then some mega boxes as well from Prizm ones. So I'll be opening all of them on the channel, and so check back and then see what the other ones are. But these are the Fanatics exclusives, so these are crazy for sure. Like this one has Zion on the front, obviously. 4 cards per pack, 12 packs per box, and then 1 autograph or mem per box. And then here it says 300 bases, and then also look for these silver, green ice, and I think Fanatics exclusive just seems to be the green ice stuff that they have going on. So there's a lot of green ice action going on here. And then, yeah, I thought that was something else here. Oh yeah, the Silver Prizms as well are in here. So green ice, and then a mem card, and then the chance for, I don't know, like something crazy will be there. So let's go ahead and open this up. Again, 12 packs. This is, I'm seriously, I can't even believe he hooked me up with this. So major thank you to you, man, for doing that. But I wanted to open them and show you guys what we got. So let's cross our fingers for something fun here. All right. Auto, and then we have the Emergent Silver, RJ, and Colin. Pack 1. But this is, Prizm is the one that like I wanted to buy more of, and the prices points are so crazy. It's just nuts that he ended up sending it right when I was looking to try to scoop some more. Got Lonzo. We got Alonzo Silver. Nice. And then Naismith for another Rook. I mean, we're looking for that silver mellow. That would be ridiculous to get, but we'll see what we end up working with here. We got the green cracked here. Is it going to be a Rook? Who is it going to be? Serge Ibaka. All right. Green cracked. I mean, there's no losing at this point because it was such a generous gift that it doesn't really matter. I'm going to lower this down. Hold on one second. Give you guys a little bit of a better view here. I'm sorry. Trying to get this camera set up right. Yeah, so there's no losing here. There's only W's because of the gift from the homie on this one. Just super crazy. What is that one right there? What is that block thing back there? I'm not familiar with that. Is it an Emergent? That's an Emergent, huh? Forgot because that's up on the side there. Impact, instant impact. RC, and then quickly. So impact, I guess, yeah, I guess this is like the insert. Ooh, this one feels thick boy. I'm gonna save that one. No, I'm not gonna do that to you guys. I'm always annoyed when people are like, I'm gonna save it for the end and make you guys watch everything. And then you're just like, dude, I just wanna see the pack. So without waiting, here you guys go. Looks like we got a mem here. All right, and I'm not gonna even wait around. What? No way. My wife absolutely does not like this dude from the Blazers. I love this guy though. I was let her know this guy's a goat. 33 of 56, dude. Number 27. I don't even know how to say his name properly, but dude averages like a triple-double almost like every game. So that guy is a goat. That is awesome. Love that. And nice numbered card there with the insert. So there's our auto or mem right there, and that is a gangster one. because again, it's just like the perfect one for my wife. Ooh, Luka. That is a nice one right there too. So we got a Luka cracked. Take that one. Perfect. So there's 2 cracks. I wonder how many cracks you get per box. Does it say on here? I don't know. You guys probably know the pull rates better than I do. But 2 cracks is better than just the single one from, what is it? The blasters from Fanatics for Mosaic. Wrong dude, but all good. I'm happy with the Luka. That's really nice. I'll take that one right there. Put it right there. All right, here we go. We got a silver. And it's going to be a Clint. Mr. Clint. Oh, we got a Cole. Nice to see a Cole Anthony Rook here. Throw him down on a sleeve. And then drop him right here. This is insane though, man. Just what a crazy gift. I was, at first, I mean, I had a triple check because I was out and about when he messaged me. I was like, no way. I'm like, what is happening? It was nuts. And then he came through for real. Like, I couldn't even believe it. Pascal, I don't know how to say that dude's name. And then we have that guy. So I'm going to put him behind him because I like to see good old Luka there. 3 left on this box, and then we're going to go ahead and open the second box as well. So got to get both of these done. If you guys enjoyed the video, though, drop a like. It means a lot when you guys do that. And yeah, it'll help support the YouTube algorithm, as people say. Nah, this is just my burner channel, and I've been doing this for fun on this channel, just ripping cards and stuff and having fun with it. So hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Ooh, it looks like I did get did I get an auto too? They're juking me. That's not an auto. I'm gonna flip it and see though. Oh wait, no, it's not an auto. It's just one of these things flipped. Why did they do that? So Donovan. Ooh, it's a Davis. Oh, I wish that was LeBron. Oh man, what? No way. So we do have an auto. It's 1 of 16. Anthony Davis. So they got a patch and an auto in this box. That's legit. That is crazy. It's number 1 of 16 as well. Dang, I thought they were joking me with pulling a fast one on me, but they didn't. We got an auto too. And we got a Rook here, and then we got a Silver. That pack was pretty loaded for that one. Oh man, I wish this was, I mean, AD doesn't get enough love anyway. He's definitely legendary in his own right. But if that would have been a LeBron, like, I would have lost it. That would have been my best card ever. But still super, super dope, man. Look at the background on that too. Just super fire. And then we got a Mikal Bridges and another Lonzo Ball right here again for the base. So that's the first box. Man, that was crazy. I'm going to put my top little hits over here, and then we'll battle them out between these 2 boxes. So we got a couple Rooks here quickly, and Lewis, I'll put them over here, the other inserts. There's not too many other random inserts. I mean, most of them is just good looking stuff like this. This cracked is insane. I absolutely love the cracked ice. So I'd say that this one's good. Do I have any good silvers over here? I mean, Lonzo, he's Lonzo. He's a ball bro. And then I'll put these ones over here since that's kind of that. So next one. So these are probably my best hits over here. I'm definitely throwing the AD up top there though. Holy moly. 1 of 16. That is crazy. Beautiful card. Oh, if it was a different Laker though, that would have been nuts. So here's the second box again. So Mem, and then Silver Prizms as we saw. And then I'm gonna read down here again. So there's Sensational Swatches, Prisms to 56, and Sophomore Stars, Prisms Green, and Dominance Prisms, I don't know, all sorts of stuff. So we're going to go ahead and do this. Second box, and it is the battle of the elite of the elites. These boxes are insane. So we got an Emergent, we got a Wood, Woodard there, rookie. And we got a silver in the third. So we got Ben and Wendell Carter Jr. and Jarrett over here. All right, all right, all right. See what we're working with back here. Out of the cracked. Austin, and then Josh Jackson. And Grant over there. All right, we're warming things up over here. Warming it up, warming it up. And it looks like, is this Emergent over in the third? Yeah, one of those ones. Kyrie, P-Will, and another Hornet, but the wrong, the wrong one. All good, all good. This one feels, Fat Boy, feels like we got a patch in this one again, so let's take a look and see. Man, I can't thank you enough for sending this over, man. This is too kind, too generous, too fun. Cheers. I'm gonna raise my glass. Cheers to you, sir. Delicious. All right. Barnes, we got this dude. We got Halliburton, Emergent, and then Ben Simmons. I'll take it. And this one's numbered to 56 as well. Nice. So we got Big Ben. Awesome. Barnes and the Halliburton over here. That is legit. I don't have a sleeve for that one. That's a Fat Boy. I need to go get another sleeve. I have sleeves that are too small and then too big, so go figure the way it works out. We got the cracked right here. It's going to be a Kevin Love and Zach. All right, handful of packs left. I can't wait to do the megas too. This is the first out of what he sent over. This is the first thing that I decided to open, just because I was like, man, I was like, I can't wait. I have to see what's in here. We got a Trae. Nice to see that. I'll put Trae over here though, and then the Emergent. All right, I don't even have a regular insert spot. I'll just put that over the side. Yeah, it's crazy, man. Too crazy. I wonder if we'll get an auto in this one too. Wouldn't that be wicked if we got the patch and an auto again? That would be insane. Kevin Looney. So not like a lot of, I'm hoping we'll get a rookie cracked ice. That's what we're banking on, right? Obviously like a mellow cracked ice would be absolutely bonkers. Or a vet, like a nice vet cracked ice like we had with Luka of the first box. The second box is gonna be, oh, we got Blake. I mean, that's not bad. Blake, Shaquille. Blake doesn't get enough love. Speaking of love, Kevin Love doesn't get enough love. All right. Emergent or something. Sophomore Stars and the Kenny Martin Jr. All right. Nothing too crazy. 2 packs left, man. Wish me luck here. 2 packs. 2 packs left to make something happen. Got a Zach Collins, Prince, and Al, and a Wendell. All right, last pack, and then we're throwing in the towel for this video. But super fun, man. I can't thank you enough for sending again. Just super epic. And I'm doing a terrible job getting this one out. We got a Trae. Nice to see Trae. We got a cracked. Is it a rook? Will it be a rookie? Not a rookie, but all good. We got an Obi Rook to finish off the thing. I like that one, actually. Not a bad looking rookie card. So Ben Simmons, nice hit there. We got a Trae, second year. Might keep that for the personal on the side over here too. And then let's battle it out and see who had the best battle, best box out of the battle, best box battle. Kevin Love, Blake, I mean, Josh Jackson, and then Darius. Those are the 4 cracks that we had. We got 3 silvers, as you can see here. So those ones, I'll get a better camera angle in just a second here. Got a Halliburton and a Toppin, and then the big dogs in the middle, I guess. Trae, Will. Grant. All right. And then from the first box, man, we got Anthony. That was ridiculous. And then even this sensational patch comparison. Look at these things side by side. I mean, maybe it's just because of the Blazers. One, it looks sensational. In the with the green and the red and stuff. Looks really good. Both of them numbered to 56 though, so as you can see, they're nice. Not bad looking right there. And then this is a big star of the show though, the AD. And then we have the Luka as well, Cole Anthony, and then the Lonzo Silver. We did have some other silvers though from the first box. So we had more silvers from the first box. Total of 4 silvers. And then 5 cracked ice, I guess, technically with the auto. And then a couple other small inserts. But I'll do a pull out so you guys can see what we're working with here. But that's kind of a look at the hits. I mean, a couple silvers to the other silvers over here. And then the 4 green cracks to the 4 green cracks. I wish we would have got a rook, but all good. And then we got a couple rookies here, Topham at least, and Halliburton versus the Cole. No LaMelos, but all good as well. I mean, can't complain at all, obviously. Ben Simmons. And then number 27 Blazers. I got to show my wife that first thing in the morning. She's going to love that. I do like that there's a Nike swoosh in the backdrop there. But the AD, definitely my favorite just because it's an auto and it's 1 of 16 for a Prizm. And the background looks ridiculous. Super, super cool. Penmanship, it says down here. So, yeah, man. Wild. I can't believe we got that one. And thank you again. Follow the dude. I'll link him in the description of the video for sending this over. This was incredible. Thank you for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed, and check back because I will be ripping the other stuff that he ended up sending over as well. The Mega Box Prisms and then the Mosaics. So, yeah, have a good one. See you guys.